Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel, and in this video I will tell you the reason why you have to start using the Google Docs instead of Microsoft Words. So the Google Docs will be similar to this icon on mobile version, so you just need to tap it. The first reasons that you have to be considered why you have to start using this Google Docs is because this Google Docs only provide you to have the Google account, and whenever you log in with this account and then you start to create every project that you have here, all the project will be sit into the Google Drive, so you can access all the documents in any devices anytime and anywhere. Just need the internet, and you just need to Google account that you use. And the next, whenever you accidentally delete your documents here, you have an access to bring them back by go visit this bin and restore the files. And then the term is the deleting process is not more than 30 days. The next thing is you can also get the feature of offline and online. If you have no internet, you still can't work with the documents. And then the application will save everything on the documents and wait until they have internet connection. When they have internet connection, everything on this document will be get updated. And the next features is shared with me, or sharing this documents to someone else. So you can work together with your friends in the same time in the same documents. So you can done your work faster. And the most special things about this application is everything is free. So you don't have to subscribe to a subscriptions into this application because everything is free. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it and consider to start working with Google Docs instead of the Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.